Okay, so this time we're looking at the form of a quadratic where f of x is negative. That means where the y values, the function of x. So the y values are negative. So think about a quadratic function, basic parabola. Let's say that this is our vertex, and let's say that it's something like this. This is a great example of how the sketch does not have to be perfect in order for you to still make sense of it, because mine definitely doesn't look symmetric like it should. But you have an idea here, and think about where the values of y are negative, right? The y values here, like these are all positive y values. So those are not what we're looking at. We're looking at where the y values are negative. So they're negative in this section, right? From -2 all the way until we get to +5, we have negative y values. So knowing these x-intercepts is really important, which is factored form. That would be the form that's going to directly tell me where that range is. Just knowing the vertex doesn't necessarily tell me like how far, almost dropped my tablet, how far the range is, or like the intervals for x to be negative. So I don't know if it's just right beside the vertex, if it's further out. I don't know if it's negative all the way from here to here. So the factored form is what I'm looking for there. All right, hope that helps you.